Hi everybody and welcome back to the hardware info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth pairing issues for your XIAOMI Sound Pocket speaker. And first, both on iPhones and Android phones we have to enter settings. Here Bluetooth, and now we have to disable Bluetooth. Now after 10 or 20 seconds we have to turn on Bluetooth app back again and turn on our speaker. After this time, we should be able to connect. But if you're not able to connect, you have to contact device support because your device may be broken. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.